Okay, sorry about that. This will be part 2. It's the Ps4. It's the bottom side. That's the other side. Go ahead and get her opened up here. Go ahead and lay it down. And there it is. Go ahead and spin this around. And you got here the voucher for the digital. It's got the code on the back, and I'll show you guys. You got some manual stuff. You got the controller. I'll go ahead and open that up for you there. With that, with some plastic. I'm gonna leave all the plastic right here and then over here. See, the plastic there and then the plastic there. Feels really nice. Then you got headphones right there. It's like a one earbud thing. I don't know how good it's gonna be. The power cord. What I like about it, it's just a cord. There's no brick like the Xbox. Ain't got nothing against it. And you got micro USB port, for your charger. And then you got the PlayStation's original. Well, I guess it would be considered as an original. It's just a HDMI cord. And that's really all there is in that. Now for the Ps4 itself. Go ahead and slide that up, slide that out. Put that back in there. It's actually surprisingly light. Okay, there is the system. You got the PlayStation logo there. It's like a chromed out look. Has nothing else on top. You got matte black here, and then up here you got the style there. You got that groove there. Here's the back. And then we'll do front. And then you've got a Ps4 logo. You got 2 USB ports, one there and then one there. You gotta remove and then power with a little sleek look there. That your disc goes in right there. And here's that side. It says on here HDMI, DTS, digital, and Blu-ray. Right in there in between the two. Right there's the bottom, not the Ps4 logo. That's it. Thank you.